Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to edit your Insta bio and add line breaks. So it is pretty simple. You just have to follow some steps. So first you have to open your Google. After opening Google, you have to type in your So after opening, you have to write any caption like I'm writing here caption. Hum. So I'm writing here hi. Hi. Now you have to just copy. So now I have copied here. Now second step is to open your Instagram profile. So after coming on the Instagram profile, you can see. Now you can see that in the left there is the option of edit profile. You just have to simply click on it. And here you have to click on the fourth option, that is bio. And in coming after the bio, you just have to copy whatever the option you have copy from there. And you just simply have to click on tick. And now you have to refresh it. And now you can see here line breaks are added. So this is the solution of how to edit your bio and also add line break in it. Hope you like the video. Thank you.